Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and today I'm launching under the name of Your Tech Friend my new YouTube channel, which is just the old channel but renamed. But I finally decided upon a name after like a month of research, going through different names and stuff. Anyhow, this channel is going to be all about usability. How does your tech device actually work in everyday use? How is it just doing? Is it doing good? Is it doing bad? We're going to review that. And when I say we, that means that I'm an elderly person, perhaps. Not that elderly, but
I'm a Ho-Chi-Minh, as you would have said in English. I'm a
experienced user of tech for many years, and then I have a young segment, and I've gone across gender, so there will be some young girls who will be testing out the products. Young girls, like also nearly adults or adults, young adults, be testing out the new phones I'm going to be reviewing or unboxing, or just tech talks. We will be going through those at least for 1 week of normal use. Every one of us who are in this team of techies, reviewers, call it what you want. So, usability and cross-gender testing, well, that's going to be our niche on my new YouTube channel. So please stick along, and you can follow us on all various channels. It's got to be Twitter, of course, Instagram, and I get that one I'm running, Facebook, the YouTube channel, of course, and a homepage which I've not actually decided if it's going to be like a .net or whatever. We'll see about that. It's coming up. We'll do that tonight as I speak of right now. But thank you very much for your time, and I really hope that you will take on to this. I'm also going to be launching a Patreon, and I'm going to be doing a t-shirt. So I'm going to do the full Monty. So please do support me as I'm trying to, in the future at least, to make this a living for myself of some sort. A miserable living, but perhaps a grateful living. Grateful dead. I'm Brian from Denmark. This is Your Tech Friend, and hope to see you soon.